With the legacy of 20 years in education, City Group, having two campuses, one in Maqsuda, another one in Shahpur, started with the third campus as a university, City University in Ludhiana. The objectives were to create an infrastructure where an employability skills can be provided to the students, at the same time developing the entrepreneurships into the students and focusing on the research activities where we can serve the society.
I chose City University because City have a large package which can offer to people, and the education standard is very high. It's not only theory but practical. You can also learn more in this college.
The thing which compelled me to take admission in this university was first of all the infrastructure, second was the well-qualified faculty, third was the academic syllabus. The best thing is industrial exposure and practical experience which this university offers me.
We focus more on case studies where a student is given an assignment, he has to complete that assignment and then the faculty relates that assignment to the theory the student is trying to undergo. City University always have a lot of tie-ups with the industry around and abroad. This gives an advantage to the students as far as the placements are concerned. At the same time, a lot of guest experts come from the industry to share their experiences and the requirement of the corporate world with the students.
Now we all say City University is a leading industry university, student-centric, multidisciplinary university and research-focused. We have got 9 massive storied buildings, 5 big house buildings, all interconnected, centrally air-conditioned. We have got library. We have got 80 plus faculty in place right now with 35 PhD scholars working over here.
City University is having very best facilities under one roof. The campus is very beautiful infrastructure and a perfect blend of nature and student-friendly amenities such as open-air theatre, open gym, smart classrooms, well-equipped libraries, modern computer labs, restaurant and studios with all requirements.
They teach us many things about fashions. राम टेक्सटाइल में जाके हमने बहुत सा एक्सपोजर देखा, जैसे कि हमने देखा वहाँ पे थ्रेड कैसे बनता है, उसके बाद थ्रेड से हमें फैब्रिक कैसे मिलता है, उसके बाद फैब्रिक से वो डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग कैसे करते हैं, स्क्रीन प्रिंटिंग कैसे होती है.
Tied up with more than 15 industries. For automobile, we tied up with Bosch. For cybersecurity programs, we tied up with EC Council. For healthcare management program, with Fortis Hospital.
We also focus on the various talent, the hidden talent of the students. We organize different types of cultural events. For example, we organize Splash, which is an university program where the students participate in various cultural activities. Apart from that, we have a Technomania program where the students participate in the cultural programs. In order to improve the communication skills of the students, we have tied up with the Cambridge University Press. The books and the faculty come from the university press to deliver the communication skill lectures. This enhances the communication skills, at the same time increases the employability of the students. At the same time, to promote the sports into the university, the city universities have tied up with EUSI, that is Elite Sports Organization, which has an association with all Association of Indian Universities, and they promote the sports around.
We come here for our overall development, whether in sports, whether in cultural activities, whether in social awarenesses.
Being in City University has been a nice experience. City University is good because it considered the international students. All the international students which are non-veg, they are well given their food which is non-veg. Also the hostel equipments are good enough. The rooms are AC'd and all that. So being in City University is a great experience for me.
As we know, this phase of our life is extremely important, so I can confidently say that City University is going to make my future the best and worth.
If you are looking forward for an holistic development, not only in academics, but in cultural, as well as the research activities, the only place you should come out is City University.